The studio has also created an accompanying magazine for the Airbnb-sponsored children's event, featuring brightly colored dinosaur illustrations and fun activities. By Amy McLaughlin, September 27, 2017, 3:48 p.m. September 27, 2017, 4:28 p.m. London-based studio Anorak has designed the branding for Dino Snores for Kids, a monthly sleepover event at the Natural History Museum. Sponsored by online rental company Airbnb for the next 6 months, the event sees children become little explorers for the night, says Studio Anorak. They will take part in activities such as a tour trail of the museum, a dinosaur chart-making workshop and an educational science show. At midnight, the children then settle down to sleep in the museum overnight. Airbnb briefed Studio Anorak to create a visual identity for the event, along with an accompanying educational magazine called Explore. The identity and magazine design incorporate the studio's trademark colorful style, as seen in its quarterly kids magazine Anorak, which has been going for over a decade. Travel, transformation and exploration. The branding and magazine both take inspiration from the event's key themes of travel, transformation and exploration, says Studio Anorak, and are adorned with cute illustrations of different dinosaurs and children donning their finest explorer gear. The magazine includes stories, educational features, an interview with teenage explorer Jade Hamister, and other activities such as one that asks children to make their own passport holder. Studio Anorak has also created an illustrated, dino-inspired poster that comes as part of a goodie bag given to the children at the sleepover. The identity for Dino Snores for Kids and Explore magazine have now both launched,